This is where it started, right here. This is what helped change my world, and it'll do the same for you. You want your education, you want to go back to school, no matter your age, no matter your conditions, no matter your circumstances, you want everything that an education can do for you. Now, some of the things that I want to share with you is I was broken, I was busted and disgusted, I was miserable beyond measure, I was doom and gloom, I was in a rat race, I was seriously doubting myself, I was intimidated, I was all the things that you're thinking about that you may be or have experienced, and then some. I'll never forget how I felt when I took that traffic light, went through that traffic light and pulled up on this campus right here and walked through those doors. Can't tell you all of that right now. I just want you to know that this right here, this place changed my life for my lifetime. This place right here gave me what I could not get out here. This place right here gave me an environment that was nurturing, built my confidence, my self-esteem, gave me hope. This place right here expanded my vision, and more than anything else, the people. I could not find these people out there that I met in here. Now, why? Because of my present circumstances. I don't want to get into that right now, right? Every time I think about this right here, welcome. See that sign? It said welcome, right? And they do that. They do just that. They welcome me. You know, I just can't say enough. You know, forget about all the noise, the traffic. So what? So what? The traffic's going by, right? So what? Who cares, right? You want to see that traffic? So what? Don't care. Keep driving. Keep riding. I do not care because I had to get through that to get here. And you're going to have to get through some things to get where you want to be. And I want to help you. But that's for another time, all right? No matter your age, no matter your circumstances, I'm telling you, I am not speaking to you from theory. I am speaking to you from real life application. That's what I got. I've got validation because I experienced everything that it took for me to get from point A to point B with life's present circumstances. For me. Sure, they're going to be different for you or someone else. But I stayed in. I didn't quit. And you won't either. You will not either. You won't quit. Not on my watch. Not if we get together and communicate, collaborate, and 3 C's: communication, collaboration, and confidence. Right? Not if we instill those things in each other. But hey, anyway, that's for another time. This place right here, emancipate. I don't know if I should use the word emancipated me, but it opened up my whole wide world to more than just my zip code, to more than just my current work environment. They'll try and take it from you. The minute they find out that you're trying to do something different, they're going to do everything they can in their power. I shouldn't say that, should I? Should I say that here? No. That's what I went through. But listen, this is a time and a moment to share with you about what your brick and mortar or what your institution will do for you, whatever you decide that it may be. All right? But I'm feeling pretty good because I'm here right now, several years later, on the premises. This is where it all started. And it can happen for you. All right? I look forward to being a part of your journey any way I possibly can. All right? You can do it. You can do it. It's waiting for you. Claim it. Become a part of it. The more you get involved in this right here, education, higher learning, positivity, etc., etc., etc. The more you become a part of it, the more you want more of it, right? We like it, we love it, we want more of it, all right? I'm excited. I'm out here in the parking lot. There's the campus over there. But I'm right here, what I want you to see, first and foremost, all right? All right? I can't help but share this moment of extreme gratitude and appreciation for what this place did for me. And it'll do the same for you. Doesn't matter your age, right? You want to go back to school? I'll help you. I will help you. I will help you. All right? All right, you can do it. See ya.